Hello, my friends. It is time. It's time for me to share with you our monthly club set for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Now, let me just tell you, I am in love with this one. And I can't decide exactly. I'll tell you more about it in just a second because you know what? It is just so awesome. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so beautiful. It is called Flower Wreath. And I'm excited about this one because I can't decide how many different ways I'm going to color it. So for example, I have my colored pencils, I have my watercolors, I have my aqua color pens, I have my alcohol markers, I have my regular markers. I'm just telling you, I'm so excited. And not to mention all of that, but there's also solid stamps you can purchase if you don't like to color. I know. I'm so excited. Well, let me show you this a little bit more. So we have With Love that you can put into the center of the wreath. There's Sending Hugs, Just Because. And then the wreath itself is all one stamp. And then you have the extra stamps like off to the sides that you can add separately. Now, Stamp Club members, you're getting this set, right? Sent to you automatically with a fun little postcard, other ideas on the website. Die Hard Club members, which, by the way, is our most popular club, Die Hard Club members, are getting the same stamp set and the dies that match. Now, I did something a little different on this one. So, of course, you're getting the inside die. Of course, you're getting the shadow die. But you're also getting the inside die, and it is separate. What do I mean? Because maybe you don't want to cut out the inside of that wreath, or maybe you do. It's up to you. I gave you those two different options. So yes, you're going to cut out the inside, or no, you're going to cut out the inside. It's totally up to you. Then I also gave you this centerpiece. It looks funny. It's one die backing, but it cuts out. I'm going to count. Let's see if I can do this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 little flowers that coordinate, yes, with your wreath. Yes, of course. Then it also has these 3 extras that don't cut out the center. I really tried to think of every different combination that you would want to do or that I would want to do, and I tried to add it to this die set, and I think I did okay. I'm really excited about it. So, Stamp Club members, you're getting the stamps. Die Hard Club members, you're getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Now, if you're in the Stamp Club and you want the dies, you have to wait almost a whole month to get them. They'll go on our website on the 20th of the month. So it's better for you to upgrade to the Die Hard Club in the future so you don't have to wait to get the dies. But there's our set. Let me show you some samples, but let me tell you a little secret. There are other add-ons that you are going to fall in love with. Just saying. In fact, some of my samples have some of those extra add-ons and their sneak peeks, but you must go watch the next video and check out the bundle because let me just tell you, okay, let's jump in. Here we go. Here we go. Here is Hello, My Friend. Oh, sneak peek on that one, but look at our cute little birdie in the center of that wreath. Look at this gorgeous background. Make your own background paper with those stamps. Really fun. Here's a cute one. This one has the wreath cut out also, just using dies. This wreath only uses dies, and that bow, sneak peek, but look at how beautiful that is. Hello, My Friend on that one. Look at those little itty bitty flowers that you get in the die set. Isn't that awesome? Then we have this one, Hey You. Now this one, who did this? Sheila did this one. She did this a little differently. Instead of die cutting the center of the wreath out of the wreath, she die cut it separate out of the pink and just stamped on that and put it inside the wreath. So you don't have to die cut it out of the wreath. You can just die cut it out of a different color and do that if you want. Completely optional. Then we have this one using our Z fold card, but only half of it. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous, right? It's the big half of our Z fold card. Or I think it's called our double Z fold card. But look at how gorgeous that wreath is. So now you can see one of the reasons why I wanted you to be able to die cut the center of that wreath, right? Because there's so many more options you can do with it. So that's that one. Oh, here's another beautiful one. I love this one. This one has a lot of 3D ink, so I know Cheryl made this one. But look at those. You can also pop up the extra flowers because I gave you all those extra dies and the extra stamps. So it's really going to be one of those versatile things, let me tell you. Do you like those leaves? Good, because coming up. Now, last but not least, these are beautiful little 3x5 elegant banner. So pretty. Look at the gorgeous colors on that. And you know what? Stay tuned for the next video because I have a lot more to share with you using this stamp set and a couple more items. Now, if you're not in the Stamper Die Hard Club, if you sign up the month this is released, you will get this set. Now, if you're not in the club, the best time to join is right now because you can get in for as little as $13.99 a month. And that includes a brand new stamp set each month. And then as a club member, you get a 15% discount off of our entire website. Entire. No exclusions. Every single item, every single order, every single day. Is it just one order and then that's it? No. Every single order. Every single item, every single day. You get 15% off my entire website. Entire website, not one exclusion. That includes die cut machines, secret weapons, dies, stamps, inks, everything. It's like a sale every single day if you're a club member on my website. Not only do you get 15%, you get club points. You also get anniversary gift certificates. If you stay in this club a full year on your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate just as a little thank you, and so much more. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch the video, and it'll explain all of our awesome clubs and what a fantastic community we have. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.